Critical levels for Solana. Is the Solana network officially cooked after all these meme coin rug pulls? We're going to be covering this here today. In this video, we're going to be looking at critical levels for Solana to the downside and some potential targets to the upside. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. And let's get right into it, guys. Solana is down 30.5% this month and down 11.9% this week, down 6.4% today. Where is it headed next? Let's get right into it. Here we are, guys. This is the Solana chart right now, and Solana is taking a nice little nosedive, falling out of the previous month range here for January. We're currently finding support once again on the yearly pivot of $177. If this area is lost, we're going to potentially be heading down to the Q4 NPLC because we are within still the Q4 range overall from 2024, this entire range down here. And its naked point of control, which is right at around 166, is still untapped. We got really close to it on January 13th, but it remained untapped. So that is our next target. If we lose this yearly pivot, no guarantee, but if we do and the markets keep heading lower, especially for Solana, the next main target is 166. Below that, below 166, if that does not hold, look for 154, which is down here at our monthly naked point of control back from October. Now, worst case scenario, if that also doesn't hold as support and this value area low for this Q4 range also breaks, which at this point in time is already, first target is 6% down, second target is 13%, third target around here on this value area low, 14, basically 15%. Our next target will be the September NPLC at 132, which is about 26% down. The September naked point of control, which would put us inside at the lower end of Q3 from September 2024. So that is a massive pullback for Solana if it happens. Those are the targets to the downside. Now, Crusader, you told me about the downside. What do we have? Does Solana have any potential to the upside? Let's get right into that right now. To the upside, if Solana were to find support here at this yearly pivot or even down at the naked point of control, within this area, our major critical area to get above is this resistance zone. We need to flip 231 and get above that. We have a weekly naked point of control up at 235, and we have a weekly average up at 247. Also, we have this local gold pocket from this high to this low. We're going to have to readjust this if we continue dropping lower. But for now, this is the local gold pocket to the upside at 253. And we all know getting above 259 is critical. We have not really ever closed a daily candle above it. In November, we wicked past the all-time high here of 2021. Once again, we wicked. We did not close above it, came back down. In January, once again, we ran all the way up to 294 along with, that was because of the Trump pump with the Trump meme coin and Melania and all that stuff and the network going crazy and people couldn't move their Solana. They couldn't sell their Solana. It was all wild, right? But once again, we wicked above this 2021 all-time high. We barely held it we barely closed above it, and then we instantly fell back down below. So this 2021 all-time high of 259 is very critical resistance as well. To fully close a daily candle above here would allow us to officially run for an official all-time high, which we have at 295. But like I said, a solid candle, not a wick of a candle. So to make some new moves, a lot of people are talking about $1,000 Solana. Well, we need to get above this 259 and close a daily solid candle up there before we can start talking about $1,000 Solana. I realistically believe Solana is going to go somewhere between 400 to 500 at most in this bull run. That's just me. I like to keep it conservative. If we get up there, awesome. If we get even higher, even better. But conservatively, that is what I think is going to be happening for Solana in the long run, because there's a lot of stuff happening in the rest of the market, and all the money isn't just going to be stuck on Solana meme coins forever. They're going to move to other blockchains. So those are the critical levels for Solana to the upside and downside. I appreciate every single one of you guys smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe, and drop down below in the comments what altcoin we should hit up next. Until next time, see ya.